No, you. Kind of like the fire you. We'll get that fire. Ready? I want to jump back.
Fire went out.
Did it?
Nope.
Thank you, Nick.